Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your search history on the TikTok app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to delete your search history on the TikTok app, first open up the app on your mobile device. Then once you're in the app, tap on the search button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And here you'll see that it shows my recent searches. So it says hello or subscribe now or test. So those are some of the things that I've recently searched for. Now, if I want to delete them one by one, all I need to do is tap on the X's at the right hand side of the screen next to each item. But if I want to be able to delete all of the search history, all I need to do is tap on see more. And next I can click on clear all. So this asks if I want to clear my search history, so all your search history will be deleted and it can't be recovered. So if you don't want to do that, hit on cancel, but if you do, tap on clear. And that's what it takes to delete search history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.